My name is Cindy Neen. We have 2 horses, quarter horses, and then we have a mule. And then I do have a cat, Calico Jack. One thing that I think is so special about where we live, where we stay, where we work, my grandchildren. These are special. They live in the city. And so when they come to see Mimi and Papa in the summer, you know, they get to be wild. It's beautiful. It's surrounded by mountains, trees, privacy, public lands. We have 1.5 miles of the river in front of us. We can fish whenever we want. We can just go for hikes. To us, it's the most beautiful place in the world. When people ask me, what do you do for a living? And I'm like, well, I work for a mining company. And they're shocked. Like, I don't look like what they thought a miner would look like. It's being part of history, not just knowing that we're going to clean it up and how it's going to move forward, and just knowing that I'm part of that. And I want my grandchildren to know, wow, look what she did. If you don't know what's going on, ask. You know, Midas is very transparent. Environment, it's just a mindset now. It's not something that everybody says, oh, I'm an environmentalist. Oh, are you one? No, everyone is. Me personally, I care about the animals. Look where I live. I'm all about the animals. We have to have clean water, of course. I live right on the river. If somebody's polluting a river, I'll be the first one out there. I'm Cindy, and I am mining.